So we're boiling a potato for 15 minutes and now we're waiting to become soft. So now we're going to make a potato salad. This is a vegetable salad with potato, and this potato is already boiled. So we will take off this skin. And okay, we'll transfer here. Okay. Mayonnaise. This is light mayonnaise. We have cucumber and we have lettuce. First step, we will smash this potato. Really smash it so that you have a taste with a potato. So only like this. Then you will add a bit of salt. Put mayonnaise. You just estimate how the mayonnaise you want to put inside and or you want to mix in the potato. We will mix it until it becomes creamy. Only like this. If not enough, you just add a little. Or it depends on your taste. If you want sweet, you just add more mayonnaise. If you want a healthy and light taste, you just add a little mayonnaise. And now, set aside natin to. Cucumber. Just slice very thin, like this. We'll do the plating. Just put the lettuce here. Okay. And then put our smashed potato. Then the cucumber. I have a blueberry, so I put blueberry here for the toppings. This is, because blueberry, I always eat this